Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have Premiere Pro open and a sequence ready. Start by selecting the timeline you want to render and confirming frame size and frame rate match your delivery specs. Once done, choose File Export Media because using the export dialog lets you set format and preset before queuing. Make sure to pick the proper format and preset so Media Encoder handles the codec you need. Then click Queue to transfer the job directly into Adobe Media Encoder for background processing. When the job appears in Media Encoder's queue, you'll see the sequence, format, and preset fields. Click the preset to tweak bitrate or container if needed, because presets in Premiere aren't always final for delivery. You can change the output location and add additional presets to export multiple formats simultaneously. Make sure Renderer is set to hardware acceleration if available to speed up exports. Then confirm names and paths to avoid overwriting files before starting the queue. Press the Start Queue button to kick off encoding while you continue working in Premiere. Media Encoder runs in the background so you don't block editing. Monitor the progress column and open the encoding panel for details on time remaining and frames processed. If a job fails, note the error message. Common fixes include restarting both apps, resetting Media Encoder preferences, reinstalling missing codecs, or switching Renderer from hardware to software. Try those steps one at a time and then requeue the job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.